going to show you how to change the watch face on your Apple Watch Series 11. So first thing is open up your Apple Watch app. Now, once you're here, if you tap on My Watch right here, you can see when I tap on My Watch, I have two faces that I currently use. Okay, I got this one here, and I also have this one here. If I wanted to change to this one, I'll just tap right there, and I'll slide down and say Set as Current Watch Face. And voila. Okay, now let me go back here. Now let's add another watch face onto this row here. Okay, so we're going to tap down here where it says Face Gallery. Tap that, and then you can look through all of these. You can look through all these, see which ones you want. Or what you can do is you can go all the way down to the very bottom where it says See All Watch Faces, and you can just tap that, and you can just see all of them here. So for instance, let's go ahead and choose another one here. Okay, let's say I want this one here, World Time. Let's tap on that right there. Now, as soon as I tap on that, before I tap on Edit to add it to that top part, I can go ahead and edit it a little bit. I can change the color around. Some of them you can change styles. You can change the complications around. It depends on what watch face you have. So you just have to look down here, see what things that you can change. Okay, you can see like the top right is for the workout. And I can change that workout to, I'd put humidity, and now it's humidity on the top right. Anyway, if I want this just like this, I'm just going to tap on Add. Okay, so I'll tap on Add, and now as soon as I tap on Add, it also goes onto my watch as well. Okay, but now if I go back to my watch face here, now I should have three of them. Okay, I got one there, one there, one there. So again, if I want to go back to this one, I can tap on that right there. And you can change it around, and then if I want it, I can set as current watch face, and voila. Now also what you can do is, because I have those three watch faces saved, if you go to your Apple Watch, and just with the clock face, if I just press and hold, this edit here comes up. Okay, and I can also choose another watch face that I already have on there. Okay, so if I want to do that, I can just tap right there, and voila. I can also press and hold, and I can edit these as well. Okay, if I want to edit this one here, I can tap on Edit, and there's some small things that I can do in here depending on the clock face. Okay. Anyway, it's pretty simple. Any questions or issues, just comment below.